Welcome back. Thailand's central bank has cut its key interest rate to a record low ahead of an expected recession. The benchmark interest rate has been cut to 0.5%, the third cut this year. Now, the government is looking at how to boost tourism, one of the pillars of the economy. Satsisa Sambat tells us more.
It wasn't really a big surprise that the Thai central bank has decided to lower the key policy rate to 0.5%. That is the fifth such cut since last August, and it's intended to cushion the economic fallout of the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, the Thai central bank has admitted that the Thai economy will likely contract at a deeper pace than previously anticipated, and a recession is very likely. The recent GDP data for the first quarter of 2020 shows a 1.8% year-on-year contraction. That is the deepest contraction that we had since late 2011, when Thailand was suffering from the flood crisis. Now, even though daily life is slowly and gradually returning to normalcy as more restrictions are being slowly lifted, Q2 of 2020 is set to look even worse, especially since the key pillars of the Thai economy, export and tourism, are going to take a huge hit, and especially tourism, that is contributing at least 11 to 12% to the country's GDP, has been practically wiped out because of all the restrictions and the travel ban on international arrivals that has just been extended until the end of June. But nevertheless, the Tourism Authority of Thailand is already planning for the time after the lockdown, since domestic travels isn't going to be enough for that. And they are targeting markets that are in the countries set to be taken off the list of high-risk countries first. That includes South Korea and China, of all countries, but they are also going to target so-called high-spending quality tourists. But that is not really a new idea, as previous governments have already attempted to move away from being perceived as a low-budget destination. But at this point, we still do not know yet when tourists can travel to Thailand again, or vice versa. Last year, tourism officials have celebrated a record number of 39 million arrivals to Thailand, but this year they are projecting only 16 million arrivals, so less than half. Saksitsaya Sombat, CNA Bangkok.